Hi there, thank you for watching my course. So here you can see introduction to WordPress. So what is WordPress? Why we need to give priority to WordPress to make our website? These things are very important to learn about WordPress because WordPress is a CMS platform. Okay, so what does mean by CMS platform? CMS is nothing but content management system. Okay, so content management system is the CMS platform. Here in this CMS platform you can't write single line of code to design your business website. Okay, business website you can't write single line of code. Actually, if you want to create any website, what you need to do is you need to compulsory write your HTML and CSS and jQuery bootstrap coding. This is all languages, nothing but website languages. Okay, without having these languages we can't build any we can't build any websites. So the thing is, without writing single line of code, you can design your website by using CMS platform, nothing but content management system. Okay, so here this is the WordPress website. Whatever you are seeing, whatever you are learning, this is the WordPress website. By using WordPress website, you can easily create your business website. Okay, so how you can do that website by using WordPress? Because here this is the CMS content management system. What you need to do is you need to do just drag and drop. By using drag and drop options only, you can easily create your business website using WordPress. Okay, so for that, what you need to know, about WordPress themes, because themes doesn't have any coding. Without writing any code, you can make your website with WordPress themes. This is the main important segment in WordPress. After that, every theme supports or every theme imports plugins. So these plugins all maintains the main role to give such a result for your website. For example, if you need any contact form, what you need to do is you need to use contact plugin to bring out a contact page. Okay, but the page will supported by WordPress theme, but what you need to do is you need to use this contact plugin. Afterwards, you will complete your contact or feedback page for your website. This is the way the structure in this WordPress follows. So what you need to do is you need to know about every WordPress themes and you need to know about every plugins. So the usage of how you can use, how you need to do modification by using WordPress themes and plugins is called customization. Customization is simply, we can say that modifying the theme and plugin. How you can modify, that is the customization. It means customization. So it depends upon the theme settings and your usage, how you can, which option do you need. Those option and those layouts can bring out by using customization options. Even though you can find those theme options also be there, by using these theme options and customization options you can bring out such a wonderful WordPress website. So these two things are very important to bring out the such a business website for your requirement. so where you can download your theme. See, in WordPress, this is also one of the millions of $1 million question. So which WordPress theme is best for your website? The selection of theme is main important for your business. You need to select such a beautiful, such a wonderful theme for your business WordPress website, right? So here what you need to do is, here we can find out free WordPress themes also be there, and we can find out some paid WordPress themes also be there. So what you need to do is, you need to select which theme is best for your business, which theme is best for your business. It's depend upon your requirement only. It's depend totally upon your requirement only. So need to think, need to select. So how you can select the themes and plugins? So first, give priority to WordPress .org website, because this is the official website for WordPress software, and for WordPress free themes, and for WordPress plugins. Okay, so later in upcoming classes I would like to share you everything about theme options and plugin options also. There you will get much more subject about these WordPress software themes and plugins. So this is the main concept. See, for example, come to this WordPress.org official website. There you can find out some themes is there. Okay, by using these themes you can get you can create or you can customize your website by using these themes. Totally here you can see popular themes are having around 3927 themes are available there. They are absolutely free of cost. By using all these themes you can bring out, you can customize or you can design your WordPress website. And here you can find out the latest themes also be there. By using all these themes, by using these themes, you can create such wonderful beautiful business website for your need and requirement. So please make sure that only select popular themes. They are having such wonderful options to bring out such a beautiful websites. Okay, so totally we are having 7737 free themes are there. And after that, plugins also available in this WordPress.org website. By using these plugins you can bring out different types of functionality whatever you need, like feedback form, live chat, WhatsApp messenger, like that functionality. You can bring out that type of functionality into your website. So see, here they will help you. WordPress.org will support you whatever doubts you had in WordPress. By developing your website, you can write some, you can take assistance from this WordPress support section. Okay, even though you can follow their blogs, they are giving some such wonderful information in WordPress.org. By following those blogs also you can get some useful stuff from this blog option. Nothing but this is the news section. Okay, then if you want to create your website by using remote server, then if you get any doubt which hosting is best for your WordPress website, then WordPress.org gives such wonderful information having about hosting. And here you can see there WordPress.org are providing this type of hosting information also. By reading this information you will get such wonderful and speedy hosting for your business, and some other stuff also be available from WordPress.org. This is very most important WordPress platform is there. It's absolutely free of cost. Even though if you like the theme and if you like the theme functionality, you can register from here by using registration option, and you can follow and you can give some reviews about the theme and about the plugins. What is happening is the theme developers or the plugin developers may contact you. They will give you such wonderful information about their theme and plugins. So here you can create your WordPress.org account by using registration menu. So this is also one of the best option to interact with the developers, whatever theme you use. So this is the brief introduction about WordPress.org. By using these facilities, you can develop your WordPress website. Keep following my classes so that you will get such an important information for your beautiful website. Thank you.